Hello everyone, welcome here. Today we are going to learning top 5 interview questions and answers. These top 5 we selected with AI tool to getting most frequently asking any interview wherever you are going to attending. Yes, let's see what these interview questions, how it will be helpful for you. More detailed information I'll try to give you. Let's begin with tell me about yourself. I have a background in mention like a relevant field, which field you are relevant. If it is maybe like a developer, designer, like any other electrician or data analyst, data scientist, whichever the field relevant to you, you given a specific information to. I have a background in the field. If you are a fresher, you say that like I am a fresher. With how many years of experience you have? And mention that the industry or job roles to be you have to specify. In my previous roles, like I have a developer such as skill, which is the highlight skill, which is the super specialty skill you have to specify it, which helped me achieve like mention any accomplishment, like how it is growing to helping you to grow, or how it is going to be saving a time to complete the task. These things which will be really helpful and grab your attention, that HR people. And I am excited about this opportunity because align your career goals with the job role. How the job role you are going to be specified, more specifically relevantly which position, which role you are going to be applying. That relevant answers if you added, that would be great fulfillment of about yourself. Got it? And why do you want to work here? So here I admire the company. What is the company you are going to be attending, that you have to specify. Mission and values, you have to identify where the company website is having these missions and values. You collect it, why you are attracted. Especially like specific values or initiatives means how these company missions and how my mission and my career growth is going to be relevant, that you have to probe. The company's growth is in a specific industry or sector, you have to specify which you are more focused, to grow in that particular industry or role or sector. And I am eager to contribute my skills relevant to the experience or relevant to start your career if you are a beginner, to help to achieve company goals as well as your goals. And what are your strengths? So one of my key strength, like name a strength. For example, you have to give us some examples of your strength, problem solving techniques, and similarly like what the role you are going to be doing, you already more interested in that role. In my previous role, I used to strength to give an example what you demonstrate it to, like this is my interest, so I'm doing a lot of work or a lot like more specifically in a practically applying logical skills, and what the skill you have than others to completing strong, a very strong such a skills you have to specify, which will help you greatly with an example of success. At the next one, what are your weakness? Yes, this is also very important. The struggle what you did it. Mention a real weakness. Public speaking, meeting like a HR question, like any other superior's responses, or if any problem is there, why you are not going to be attending, and so at the same time like you are completing the task, but others task also you are doing. Such a weakness you like specify with your examples. And also you have to tell that like how you are going to be overcome. Working with the improving, what the steps you are taken, how much levels you are improved recently, with the examples you have to specify. Yes, most of the people they are having like strengths and weaknesses are very common for all. You have to realize it and you have to be confident on it. Why should we hire you? So So I have a proven track record. Mention the key skills relevant. If you are experienced, like you have to specify what the work you achieved. And also if you are a fresher, what the track record you have did it for your academic area or in your projects and many more. And my ability, like a key man, what the ability you have and lead to the specific achievement, how you are going to be achieve like a trending or latest technologies or your sector. I'm confident that I'm having experience of the passion of the mentioned relevant fields aligning with your company needs, where you are focusing for hiring and people that focus and that area I'm going to take care about it. If you specify and prove to like grab the attention and satisfied with the HR people, yes, definitely you will get.
సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఇంజనీర్ అవటం మీ కళ. రోజుకు ₹1 మీ కళను నిజం చేసుకోండి. ఇప్పుడే హరి సిస్టమ్ యూట్యూబ్ మెంబర్ గా జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
Interview questions and answers with continuation of part 1. So let's begin. Very regularly these questions are common for everyone. So let's see, where do you see yourself in 5 years in the industry? So let's see, the answer should be like this. In 5 years, I see myself growing with the company in a role where I can take more responsibility. Like what type of responsibilities or field in a department you have to specify. Like developer in software industry, team leader, manager, where you want to grow and what you are going to see such a position you have to explain. And I'm eager to develop my skills further and contribute the long-term success for the organization in a such a answer. If you probe to the HR, yes, definitely it will be fulfilled. The next one, describe a challenge situation, how you handle it. So in a situation, how you are going to be handling, which will see your leadership qualities. I took the initiative of action. What you took means already it is completed, which is a result, like how it is going to be like a most positive outcome how you received. Yes, it might be like a negative like output also, whereas how you cleared and how this challenge like a situation you are cleared, that experience what you learned, that you have to explain here. How do you handle stress and pressure? So here, very most important answer they'll see from you. Nowadays, as you see, like more stress and pressures are feel like the people are employed, like who are working there, the person is a feeling. So how you will clear such a situations? I stay organized, like a prioritized task to manage stress effectively. Yes, when you take the always prioritize the task and completing on time regularly, you won't be feel stress. For an instance, what type of phased thought deadlines, break down into the work manageable steps, focused on one task at a time. And this approach helped me to completing stressful project deadlines successfully. And how you are going to be work into the small pieces and completing and assembling whole task to be completed in a situation and in a targeted time, you have to explain. The next one, why do you leave your last job? If you are experienced person, you have to answer this. If you are a fresher, you don't have this type of questions, and they may ask you to how you are coming to, like why you are entering into this office, such a question you will be seeing. So the experience guys, how you are going to be, I am looking for a new challenges and opportunities to grow my career. And also you have to specify office, like organization growth. So while enjoying my time the previous company, I'm excited to learn next step and applying my new skills for a new environment to grow my career as well as the office or company growth improvements. The next one is, do you have any questions for us? Yes, if you have any questions for yourself to ask your HR people, you confidently ask about the company culture, dynamic teams, how they will help with each other, specific projects, how they will collaborate, and discussing meetings, how it will be happens. So it could be share your thoughts and improve your knowledge levels as well as the grouping teams knowledge levels. How does your team approach a relevant specific job, like relevant skills, how it is going to be like innovation thoughts to be collaborations and discussions will be happens, no? So what the key priorities for the teams for the next 6 months, how they will, these type of questions you ask to your HR people and get an information. If you feel this video will help you any of questions, please do like, share, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.